Why y'all here? Why am I here? Like, this not my house. Why am I here? Let me go before somebody comes. Y'all, look how cheap gas is right now. Okay, y'all, we made it to the store. I don't have my mask. Like, I don't like it because I can't breathe, but I should have brought it. My mama got hers, but hey, just gonna stay safe. You ready, Suki?
What? Why you lying?
But I get what y'all will get in the store. Y'all, this is the first time your girl did not do her edges, and I'm out in public. We just, y'all see this? My mama's trying to get on the sidewalk. This first time I did not do my edges in public, so if you see me, don't say nothing, because I just slicked it back. Like, I didn't do my edges, y'all. Don't come for me. In the store that has this on it, y'all. It's ratchet. Why is there a mop pole on the basket? You gotta get the normal one. Like, comment down below if your store have mop poles on the basket. There's a lot of people in this store. Like, I don't know if it's because this the only store open, but baby, it stays 6 feet away from me. 6 feet away from me. My mama got me out shopping, but I guess I'm finna find me a little stuff too since I'm there. But yeah, there she got. God, like, look at it. This store is a little crowded. Okay, y'all, my mama looking for like a twin size bed, and this store sell like furniture and different stuff. So yeah, y'all, look what they got. Look this and wear this if you're watching this vlog. Theirs are, oh, it's from at-home too, $9.99. So if you saw my bedroom transformation, you saw these. And should I get some more? I think I am, but yeah, come to Roses if you live in Memphis. They also have. Now, I don't know if this is a deal because it's $9.99 for one, and I think I was kind with 3. I don't know if this is a deal. Y'all can see my outfit. Oh, y'all. I look basic out here. This is not me. This is not me. Look at mama. My mama needs to stay in the house because she literally is running away and dodging people. Like, she needs to stay in the house. I don't like that type of stuff. Like,
I'm talking about from my kitchen.
I don't like that type of stuff. If you want it.
My kitchen stainless steel.
But my mama need to stay away from people because she keep like rushing me when somebody come. She look at her, somebody is clear. She is scared of people, like thinking she gonna get some. Like, just stay away from people.
This was my house right here. That's my stainless steel. All they got on white now is black on.
Y'all alright? Y'all alright? Pimp down. Cran apple or cran pineapple? I think cran pineapple. Oh my God, help me pick it up. I didn't try to. I did not try to. She's still right here. Come on. She can't do no crime with her. Come on, Mom. We by the evidence. Y'all look at this little glass they got up here. I know. Okay, clearly, people don't know what 6 feet is. Like, stay 6 feet away from me. Like, I don't want you that close to me if it was 6 feet. Like, stay your tail away from me. That's what Okay, y'all, back in the car. My mama see people she knows, so she finna be talking for a minute, so we made it safe. Back in the car. My cousin want me to put on the mask.
New York, concrete jungle dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do, but now you're in New York. These big lights will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear it for New York, New York, New York.
Welcome to Downtown Memphis, home of the Memphis Grizzlies, home of the, I don't know, home of Dr. Martin Luther King, home of whatever Memphis known for, barbecue, FedEx Farm, there it is right there, empty, Memphis is dead, like, look at it, like Beale Street never looked like this. Like,
oh my God,
it's so abandoned, ghost town. Coronavirus. Okay, y'all, we have made it downtown Memphis. Me and Sweet Pea decided we getting out the house today, so I did right, Sweet Pea. Y'all can't keep us on lockdown. We getting out. We said we coming out today. So yeah, we downtown Memphis. Just finished stroll a little bit, getting some fresh air. Can't be in the house too long, cause you know you go crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I started going crazy a little bit. I started like I don't have anxiety, but I started feeling like I got anxiety or something. Like just sitting there looking at the sign 4 walls, looking at Destiny all day. I mean, Destiny, you my sister, but I don't want to stare at you all day. Like, need a new scenery, fresh air. It does the body good. Get out, take a stroll, you know, get some sunlight. Lennox got, I guess, a hold on how many people can come in or something. But I got sick of sitting in the house, I ain't gonna lie. So we downtown. This is Main Street. But unless I just really need it on, I'm not putting it on. Yeah, and he brought his scooter. But, you know, I'm finna enjoy the day with my mama. We'll get back with y'all. My mama decided she wanted a furniture shop. The time oh, I like that bed right there. I like that bed. Oh, hello, how are you today? I'm fine, how are you? I'm good, and you? Just watching a little movie, you know, Money Heist a little bit, that's all, you know. I'm a little sweaty. Now y'all can see my edges, like, without edges, my forehead look huge. Like, huge. I gotta do my edges, because I look a little hurt out here. This one, I got my tripod on with my phone, but yeah. Definitely, if you're watching this vlog, you will love this. Like, this is a cute ottoman, y'all. This is real cute.